Hi everyone. This video we are going to talk about communication skill and Tirukkural. I am going to match four important Kural which was given by Tiruvalluvar very beautifully with 100% match with communication skill. As you people know very well how communication is very important in current scenario. Communication, we may have a different types, but major thing we can tell as a verbal communication and non-verbal communication. Even though Thiruvalur has suggested three important concepts which we can develop our communication very easily and how it is important for our life skill. He has explained very beautifully by using four important Kural. He divided that Kural mainly for the communication into three different factors. The first factor is about the verbal presentation, how we can present our communication to the audience. Then listening skills, how we understand the communication when anybody is speaking. And communication skill. These three I am going to tell from the Kural. What is communication? It is involving of listening, speaking, absorbing, empathizing, all the four together to form as a communication. As you people know very well, sender, receiver, embedded, unembedded, all these things you know. But by single line, if you want to tell about the communication, it is one type of skill which everyone should need that will clearly given four important factors, that is speaking, absorbing, empathizing, and listening. Effective communication skill is always very important. Then only we can conveying our messages in our own language or in a global language. If you want to talk something, if you want to tell something to a country, we are supposed to know Hindi is a national language. So language is one of the tool using for the communication. Most of the people, they are telling your communication is not good. You have to improve your communication. Yes, communication is one type of skill, but language is one of the tool using for communicating to the other people. If you are talking Tamil to the Telugu person, if you don't know the Telugu, obviously your communication skill is zero. If you are talking in a Telugu to some other Tamil people, if they don't know about the Telugu, how the communication will end received by the opponent. So communication is one type of skill. So effective communication is always conveying something message to other people very clearly and unambiguously and receive the information from other without having any hurdles or disturbances. That's why we supposed to forecast and plan properly. Careful planning is very important. It's really important to delivering any presentation. If you take a big person, when we are talking about the communication, we should not forget the great person Vivekananda. He's an excellent speaker. He started his speaking skill, presentation skill in a public presentation, public speaking. He started with the first two important line, all the whole world adore Vivekananda. My brothers and sisters. That two word pulling all the audience mindset up to one particular angle. That's why Vivekananda is treated as a knowledgeable and effective person. We can have a lot of examples how the communication is very important, how we have to communicate. But most of them are struggling in communication. By seeing this video, you can able to know Thiruvalluvar has clearly explained about the communication skill with the four important Kurals. How many years before? 2000 years before. I am going to explain them. Let us start with the first Kural given by Thiruvalluvar about the verbal presentation. In the 645, he had given very important Kural, Solluha, Chollai, Pirittor Sol, Acchollai, Sollun Chol Inmai Arindu. See, by telling the same word in the Kural but having a different meaning, that's very important. What is the explanation for this particular Kural given by the Thiruvalluvar? Mainly from the management concepts, how I took from this. Deliver your speech. That is very important. You have to deliver your speech after ensuring yourself that no argument can defeat your speech. When you are talking to the public speaking, when you are talking to anyone, when you are talking to anybody, we should ensure ourselves. How to ensure? Whether that argument should not be there after end of your speech. சொல்லுக சொல்லை பிரித்தோர் சொல் அச்சொல்லை சொல்லுஞ்சொல் இன்மை அறிந்து. குறள் number 645 has clearly given. சொல்லுக சொல்லை, deliver your speech. சொல்லுக சொல்லை, deliver your speech. It may be a seminar, it may be a public speaking, it may be talking to someone, it may be an interview, it may be presentation, whatever it is. சொல்லுக சொல்லை, deliver your speech. பிரித்தோர் சொல், that is means what? பிரித்தோர் சொல், somebody has arguing on you, in between, if they are asking you, if they are not understand properly, they will ask question. I have doubt, Mr. like that. You supposed to answerable. If nobody stand up and asking question to you in between your speech, that means your communication, your information or your content is not reaching properly, precisely, clearly. So, பிரித்தோர் சொல் argument, அச்சொல்லை சொல்லுஞ்சொல் can defeat your speech. That has been defeated. Nobody should ask question. Then you have to defeat by the way of communication, how the content is delivered from you. That is very important. இன்மை அறிந்து, after ensuring that no argument. See, Thiruvalluvar has given the explanation in a reverse manner. இனிமை அறிந்து, until we ensure there should not be any argument after your presentation, you are supposed to deliver your speech very clearly, precisely, should be understandable. This Kural has given the what we call them as verbal presentation. So effective verbal presentation, what is telling no? Effective verbal presentation, that communication skill is a clarity in the speech. The speech clarity is very important. Somebody will talk something very interestingly, but the clarity is not there. We are not able to understand the good content. We have a lot of people in our world, how the speech they are communicating in a clear and clarity manner. So remaining calm and focused, and there should be polite on your communication skill. Normally verbal communication, what they encompasses what? Both how you are delivering message and how you are receiving them. You can able to deliver, but you don't know, you don't have that ability or skill to understand or receiving. That is zero. So both should be very good. From this Kural, we can learn these two important concepts. The second Kural I am going to tell, 641, Kural number 641. நான் நலம் என்னும் நலனுடைமை அந்நலம், again repeat, நான் நலம் என்னும் நலனுடைமை அந்நலம் யானலத்து உள்ளதும் அன்று. Kural number 641. What is the explanation given by Thiruvalluvar from this Kural, related to a effective verbal communication? நானலம், goodness of the speech is very important. நானலம், நாக்கு, what we are telling, already we had discussed in the previous video. யாகாவராயினும் நாகாக்க காவாக்கால் சோகாப்பர் சொல் இழுக்கப்பட்டு. Your tongue should be very perfect, and giving the words coming from your tongue should not disturb anyone. So நானலம், goodness of the speech, என்னும் நலனுடைய அந்நலம், நலனுடைமை, possession of the goodness is very important. How beautifully is given in the explanation in this Kural by Thiruvalluvar. How many years? 2000 years before. யானலத்து உள்ளதும் அன்று is better than any other goodness. So goodness of your speech is very important for the communication. So from this Kural, we can learn what is that particular verbal communication. The two Kural focused on verbal communication. The third Kural, Thiruvalluvar is telling about the listening skills. How we are listen. We always telling to the students, we always telling to the audience, first listen carefully. Listen means what? Until we get the information through our ears, it will be keep in your mind, it will be save in your memory. You can able to speak, use that when you are talking to the presentation skill or anywhere. So listening is very important. Most of the people develop the knowledge not only by speaking, most of them developing the knowledge by listening only. So listening skill, what is the ability? The ability of the listening skills, accurate should be there. It should be received properly without interpret any messages in the proper process of the communication. That is the explanation, normal general explanation given for the listening skills. It is one of the key elements for the effective communication. That is also very important. We are supposed to listen with care. That is thing. Carefully we have to listen that, and we have to ask questions. Then only you can get the clarity about the content, about the speaker content. Next, try to see the speaker's perspective. That is very important. The next one, be patient over you. When you are listening, you should not divert your mind. Pay attention to the body language of the speaker. Attention, how he is showing that hand, body language, posture, everything you have to understand. Not just hearing and going. We are supposed to learn the A to Z of the particular speaker. That is called good listener. Anybody be a good speaker, but nobody a good listener. Only few of them is a good listener. If you are following these 4 important concepts by reading this Kural, you will be a good listener. What he is telling now with a good listener, Selvattul Chelvam, Sevichelvam, Achelvam, Selvattul Ellam Thalai. Kural number 411. How he is given a good explanation. Wealth by the ear, how we are listening, how we are receiving the information, how we are receiving the content from the speaker. Wealth gained by the ear is a wealth of the wealth. Wealth of the wealth. Selvattul Chellam, Sevichellam, Achelvul, Selvattul Ellam Thalai. Ellam Thalai means the head of the whole wealth. Getting the information is on, that is wealth. Apart from that, getting information through ears is a more wealth comparing with the speaking skills. So listening skills is always higher comparing with the speaking skills. See, that wealth is a prime for all the wealth. Head means Selvattul Ellam Thalai, prime of this particular wealth. Kural number 411 has given telling about the skills. The last Kural, communication skill. Communication skill, obviously, we had told. Effective communication skill will be the acting as a major, playing as a major role, crucial role to showcase the one personality. By seeing the outlook of the personality, we never come to the conclusion this guy never talk correctly, or he don't have a communication. How can we judge until the person open their mouth and talk something about any content? Obviously we come to know our judgment is wrong. So effective communication skill will play a crucial role in honing one particular personality. So we are supposed to select the words very carefully when you are communicate something. Selection of the words is very important. Very carefully we have to select the words. It's essential. It is a major cause. It is a prior thing for effective communication. This information given by Thiruvallur in the Kural number 648. What he told, no, விரைந்து தொழில் கேட்கும் ஞாலம் நிரந்தினிது சொல்லுதல் வல்லார் பெறின். See, the explanation for this particular Kural, if there be those who can speak on a various subjects, whatever the subjects, like physics or chemistry or general or something, if the speaker they can talk anything, various subjects in the proper order and in a pleasant manner, pleasing manner, the world would really accept them. That's why Vivekananda make a milestone for our country. If you go to any other country, if you are telling that I am from India, they will immediately tell that you came from the great personality who we call them as Vivekananda. Why? He is a person, he know the pulse of the audience and he deliver the speech. In US, you know very well about the culture. That culture is 100% not matched with Indian culture. When he started his speech, how he start? No, dear brothers and sisters, that will reach the audience. That's why Vivekananda is the best person. So, when you are pleasing the manner, the word what you are selecting for your presentation is 100%. You should careful selection should be there. So that should be very important. விரைந்து தொழில் கேட்கும் ஞானம் நிரந்தனிது. ஞானம், the skill, knowledge. சொல்லுதல் வல்லார் பெறின். How we are selecting the good words for the communication is very important to reach the audience without having any hurdles. I hope you enjoy this session. Lot of videos I am going to post. Go to my channel. Please listen. Please share this video to all your friends. I request you to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for your patience. We will meet you in another video presentation with a good topic comparing with Indian management thought like Tirukkural, Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, Avvaiyar, Moodare and other things. Thank you very much.